In less than 40 days to go, you'll be writing your JAMB 2026. So the problem is that how are you going to prepare in the last few days that is left? Or probably the last 1 month that is left. How are you going to prepare? This is what I've come to help you with. In this video, we'll talk about two things in this video. First, for the 6 hours reading challenge blueprint, because we are currently on 6 hours reading challenge blueprint. We'll be reading every single day for 6 hours. Going to be massive. So I want to give you the schedule, the timetable we are using, so that you can follow along. The schedule I will talk about in this video is 30 days class. Majority of YouTubers or tutors on YouTube are talking about how to cover the JAMB syllabus in 30 days. So some of them will give you blueprints, but they don't give you the exact structure to follow, the videos, the tutorials, the PDF to follow. Now, this is what the second session of this video will look like. I'm going to give you the blueprint we are going to use in our 30 days video and how you can join that class, and a guarantee I am giving to you. Now look at something here. You need a class that will help you cover these things very, very fast, because you only have about 40 days to go. If you try to do it on your own, especially if you are just starting from scratch, or you know that you have not been reading it again, if you try to do it on your own, you will burn out. So you need a system that will guide you. This is what I'm going to give to you. So make sure you watch it here so I can get the full details of this class and the structure we are using. That will be of great help to you. All right? So let's get into the business. So let's talk about the 6 hours reading challenge structure. Very important. Like what I said, we have been on the 6 hours reading challenge for the past 5 days, and students have been using it. I even created a group for that. So if you want to be part of that 6 hours reading challenge, leave a comment section that you want to be part of that 6 hours reading challenge. Right? Just leave a comment section that you want to be part of that 6 hours reading challenge. The 6 hours reading challenge is totally what? Free. You're not paying any money. This is where we communicate. This is where I drop some free videos for you. So let's look at what the structure. Now, the 6 hours reading challenge, you are not reading 6 hours straight. You are reading in blocks. So we have what we call the morning block, which is about 2 hours. 2 hours from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. That is what the first block for the day. They also have what we call the afternoon block, which is going to be second block for the day, which is about 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. You're going to read on that subject, which I'm going to explain. Then we have what we call the evening. We have what we call the evening block, which is going to be from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. before you go to your bed. It's very important you know these things here. So in each of the block, each day we have to read 2 subjects. In each block, the morning block, you have to read 1 subject. In the evening block, in the afternoon block, you have to read on that subject. Then in the evening block, you have to solve past questions on those 2 subjects you have read. Do you understand? Now, what does this do for you? It gives you a clarity of what you really want to achieve for that day. I have done a video on how to force yourself to study. I've done a video on how to force yourself to study, because most people don't really know how to force themselves to study. Because some students will say that they want to read, but they don't really know they don't really have that discipline to actually study when they say they want to study. But there is a proven strategy I know that I have used all the time. How to force yourself to read. I don't want to go through that process again. Go and watch that video. Do you understand? And that video talk about how to really focus during your study time session, because most of you, when you go into your reading time session, you are so distracted, you don't actually want to focus. So that video will actually teach you how to focus, how to force yourself to study. I don't want to go through that part again. But in this reading, in this 6 hours reading challenge, we have 3 blocks: morning block, afternoon block, and evening block. Each of these blocks are the morning block and afternoon block, you have to read different subjects, pick a particular topic to cover. Then in the evening block, you are going to solve past question on that. Now in the evening block, it's good you use CBT app to test yourself on that topic you have studied, which is very important. like Test Driller and myschool.com will be of great help to you. I advise you to have what an app you are using for your study. Do you understand? Now, if you want that blueprint of the 6 hours reading challenge, leave at the comment section that you want that blueprint of 6 hours reading challenge. I'm not going to send you blueprints. Now, what you have to study every single day, it contains what the timetable, right? Monday, these are the subjects you have to read in the morning. This is the subject you have to read in the morning. In the afternoon, this is the subject you have to read, so that you know each day you know the subject to focus on, so that you will not be confused. So I don't want to go through that aspect now because I already have a blueprint for that. If you want that blueprint, leave a comment section that you want that blueprint, or join the class and you get a copy of that blueprint totally for free. Do you understand? So this is our 6 hours worth reading challenge. It's very important to read 6 hours, because if you cannot read 6 hours every single day, 6 hours is bare minimum. If you cannot read 6 hours every single day, then it means that you are not serious at all. Do you understand? So that is for the first phase. Let me move to the second phase, which is going to be our 30 days class that is coming up 8th of March. Now, it's so funny that most people creating videos on YouTube will tell you that you can cover the entire syllabus in 30 days. Now, although it's possible for you to cover the entire JAMB syllabus in 30 days, but they don't have videos. They don't have videos. They don't have past questions. They don't give you structure. Now, they only give you advice. They only tell you how to read, how to set your timetable, but then don't provide the resources. You have to go cover those things yourself. And this is the reason why I am doing my 30 days class. In these 30 days, you are going to cover the entire JAMB syllabus in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Now, in these 30 days, I'm not focusing on biology and English language. Why? Because I don't teach biology and English, and I don't want to. I don't want to make a claim I know I cannot fulfill. Now, I'm giving you a guarantee here. If after you join this class, if after you join this 30 days class, and we don't cover 100% of chemistry, physics, and mathematics, a full refund be given to you. A full refund will be given to you. I know I'm giving a dangerous promise. Do you understand? This is a promise I gave to some of my students last year, that we are going to cover the JAMB syllabus in 30 days. I don't believe those few students that actually join the class actually blast their exam. 260 and above. 260, 280, and 300. We have testimonial there to back this up. I'm not just coming here to make unnecessary claim. So how am I going to achieve covering the JAMB syllabus in 30 days? Now, I already have your JAMB syllabus. I already have so many textbooks. Let me show you something. Good. See, you saw this one. These are my textbooks. This is what textbook for mathematics, LAMLAG. This textbook for physics, LAMLAG. And this textbook for chemistry, LAMLAG. Now, if you look at all these things here, these are these are the recommended textbook in JAMB. And if you want to cover all these things here, it's going to take you work. Just imagine in 30 days you want to cover these things all by yourself. The work will be working for you. The same thing with this, the same thing with this. Now, I don't only have this one, I also have past question. This is called Prep 50 past question. Right? Now, this is understanding chemistry textbook. This one is physics textbook. I have about 4 to 5 physics textbook I'm using. I'm telling you that in 30 days you can finish the entire JAMB syllabus with my structure. Now look at something here. You are not doing everything all by yourself. You are following my structure. So here's how it will look like. The 30 days will look like. I'm going to give you are going to focus the first 15 days. You're going to focus on the IE topic, because you don't have time again. You have to focus on the IE topic in chemistry, physics, and mathematics. IE topics. So in the first 15 days, you are going for the IE topic. You want to scratch the IE topics out. You are not starting from the smallest. You are not starting from the easiest topic. You are starting from for the most complex topic that gives students like wave, like electricity, Just these are topics that give students challenges. We are going to focus on the RE topic. Now, so for mathematics, we might start with what? Differentiation and integration, probability, trigonometry. These are topics that give students headache. In physics, we start with electricity. We start with what? AC circuits. We start with those things. In chemistry, we might start with what? With the calculation aspect of chemistry. Calculation aspect of chemistry is one aspect that gives students challenges. Just so these are things that are set. Guess what? The videos are already there. All the videos are already available. So how is timetable going to look like? You have to have, because we are learning every single day. Every single day we are learning mathematics, chemistry, and physics with our videos. So we have what we call the morning class, we have what we call the afternoon class, and we have what we call the evening class. Understand that this is going to stress you, because what took some students 3 months, 6 months to cover, you want to cover these things in 30 days. Understand that it's not going to be easy. It's going to be tough, both on my own part and on your own part, because I'm going to provide you the videos every single day. The videos, number one. I'm going to provide you what? The textbook you are going to make use of, which is in PDF. Number two, and I'm going to provide you with the past question. Just one of the easy way to actually master any topic is what? When you cover a topic, you have to go and solve past question. Just don't have to start reading past question like that. When you cover a topic, stop, break, go and solve past question. Now, the past question for each topic will tell you the mind of the examiner, the type of questions you have to expect in each topic. Now, I'm not only providing you the videos. If you look at this Prep 50 here, now one of the reasons why I like Prep 50 is that for every topic you have covered, there are past questions. I'm going to provide you. These things are well typed. So, let me just say, for example, now you have entered the class, and today is Monday, right? First day, or you have the first day, you have what called the morning class, the afternoon class, and the evening class. The morning class is always mathematics. The afternoon class is always what? Chemistry. The evening class is always what? Physics. Do you understand? So the videos will be available for each of the blocks: morning block, afternoon block, and evening block. For each of these blocks, the videos will be what? Available. Now, after watching each of the video, for example, now in the morning block, you have what we call indices and logarithm. After you finish watching the video on indices and logarithm, there's now past question for you to tackle under that topic. Now, once you master it, you now have a CBT test wait for you on that topic, which is going to be of great, massive help for you. And now, this is the way I have structured it for 30 days, and it's going to be helpful. Just let me restate what I say again. If after these 30 days we don't cover the entire exam syllabus, I am going to give you a refund of your money, no excuse. And after these 30 days, you don't solve past question the way you are supposed to solve past question, I will refund you back your money. Now, I know that this is a guarantee I'm giving to you that is very, very dangerous to my own side, because somebody asks, what about if all the students now start for refund? How are you going to do it? Now, this is the reason why failure is not negotiable. Just I must make sure that I deliver to my promise. Just this is the condition I'm set myself. Not every tutor can give this guarantee. Like 99% of tutor will not give this guarantee, but I'm giving you this guarantee. If after you join this class and you don't cover the entire exam syllabus in 30 days, and you cannot solve past question yourself, and you're not confident in the exam, they will refund you back your money. That is a guarantee I'll give it to you. Just so the class is 15,000 naira. Imagine 50,000 used to cover mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Now, but here's the amazing part here. Early bird is 9,950. Early bird is 9,950. So if you are among the early bird, you are going to get for 9,950. That is the least I know I can do for you. Now, I'm doing this class to help so many students that are still behind. Now, for those who are not behind, though, for those who have covered a lot, this can just be your revision class. Do you understand? So to be part of the class, send me a message down on WhatsApp. Send me a message down on WhatsApp. Make your payment and join our class. Do you understand? Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.